AutoGPT. AutoGPT is an experimental open source application which is pushing the boundaries of what is possible with AI. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot, but AutoGPT is an AI agent. What does it mean? Well, instead of telling you how to do something, it can actually do it for you. For example, it can search the internet for recent events, generate a podcast script, and save it as a file to your PC. Isn't this amazing? So here I have opened VS Code, and as you can see, this is my project directory. My environment is the virtual environment I created for myself. You don't need to have a virtual environment specifically, but it is better if you have one. If you want to check out how to make a virtual environment, I have given a video link in the description. It only takes 2 minutes. So proceeding forward, let's open up a new terminal, and first we will activate our environment. Again, you don't need to do this if you don't have to. Now, now we will come to the main task. First of all, we will type this command, and it is cloning the AutoGPT GitHub repo. Now we will go into this directory, and here we will. And as you can see, there this is the project. This is the AutoGPT GitHub directory, and first we will install pip all the required dependencies. Pip install. uh, requirements.txt, and here it is installing all the required dependencies. So now that our dependencies have installed, what we will do is that we will go to this env.env.template file, and we will rename it to, to just the env file. And now we'll open this env file, and here what you will do is that as you can see that there is going to be a open API key here. As you can see that I in the LLM provider section, it's asking for your OpenAI API key, and you will paste your OpenAI API key here. Uh, so I place my OpenAI API key, and you can also put your Pinecone key, your 11 Labs key here. If you don't know what that is, it's totally fine. You don't need to do that. But if you want to, you can also place your other Pinecone keys or other keys here. So we have done this, and so now that we have entered our Open API key here, we will save this .env file, and now in our terminal, uh, I'll enhance my terminal. Now in our terminal, let's make it a little bit clear. And now in our terminal, I will type python.m AutoGPT, and it's starting. We are going to give our AI a name. Let's call it journalist GPT, and let's give it a description: and AI designed to search for recent important events related to climate change and generate a podcast outline. And here we enter its goal. For example, first we say search news articles, and goal 2, look for the most recent and important ones, and then make a podcast outline from them, and let's say that save to disk, so we save it in our PC. And now we only have four goals, so we're going to click enter, and it started thinking. Now it's giving an error here because I the API key I set up wasn't correct. I just did it, entered a demo key for video purposes. But now you can, if you enter the correct API key, it will actually perform this task with you or any task that you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys use AutoGPT to its full capabilities. And good luck. Subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with most recent AI advances. Thank you.